What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We're standing here in my driveway where we are going to put in a new engine air filter in our 2022 Honda Civic LX. As you can see here, the engine air filter's brand name is EcoGuard. We've got the model number right there. Now these only cost $13, $14, $15. It's only going to take just a few minutes of our time to pop this in. If you take your car to a dealership, they're going to charge you anywhere from $50 to $100, maybe even a little bit over $100. It's so easy to replace your engine air filter by yourself. Let's get into it. First thing that you want to do is pop the hood, and all you have to do is open that front door, and if you look near the floor, you'll see this little lever right here with the hood popped on it. We just pull back on that, and your hood is popped. Next, we're going to locate the lever that unlatches the hood, because if we try to open the hood right now, we cannot do that. And this latch is a little bit hard to find on the Civic. As you can see, if we're right in the middle of the car, right here, you'd think it'd be right here, but it's not. It's a little bit off to the left. So you have to just kind of feel in there for the lever, and we found it, and it's right here, and you just simply have to push this to the right, and then your hood will pop up when you pull on it. So just push, hold, and pull up like so. Now once you have your hood open, you're going to locate the prop rod right here, pull this out of the area that it rests in, and put it right in this hole right here so it holds up the hood while we change our filter. Next, you want to locate the engine air filter housing, and that is right here. And after you find this, we're going to pop these two clips off. There's one right here and one right here. And you just simply press down on the top of the clip with your thumb, and they should pop right out. Now we need to remove the engine air filter housing to actually access the engine air filter. Now this thing is a little bit challenging to pop off. There are a couple of tabs on the back of it that's holding the back of it in place. You need to wiggle it out. The best way that I have found to do this is to kind of gently pull up and out, and then kind of gently finagle the housing out. Popped off a little easier than I expected. Here is our engine air filter, and we can just pop this right out. You can see ours is nice and dirty. Definitely time for a change. If you look inside your housing while you're changing your filter and you see some dirt in here, it's a great time to just grab a handheld vacuum and sweep that stuff out. We're not going to do this for the purposes of this demonstration, but I just wanted to share that information. Okay, so we're going to grab our new filter and hold it just like this. We should have our border around the top. We don't want to insert it like this. Just grab and press right in. All right, here's a view of kind of underneath our housing, and here are the tabs that I was referencing earlier. They slide right into these slots. So that's what we were struggling with earlier when we removed the housing. But when we move forward and put our housing back in place, you need to slide those tabs back into these holes. Speaking of which, let's move forward with that next step and slide those tabs on the back of our housing right into those slots. And then once you have those in place, and you'll be able to feel it when you slide those tabs into those slots, we want to push up on our latches. Next, we're going to hold our hood in place while we gently remove the prop rod from the hole in the hood where you have it. Put this back in place where you initially got it from. Then gently lower your hood. And then we're just going to gently press down on the hood until it latches. That's it, everybody. Absolutely worth the few minutes of your time and the 14, 15 bucks that you spent on the air filter rather than taking it to your dealer to have them do it. Thanks for watching, everybody.